How to fix allow WhatsApp access to your microphone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up settings. Inside settings, scroll down, then tap on apps. Inside apps, search for WhatsApp and then tap onto it. Just like that, inside here, make sure microphone is turned on. If it was off, you can simply turn it on and reopen WhatsApp. If the option does not appear, head back to your settings. Inside here, tap on privacy and security. Then simply tap on microphone right over here and make sure WhatsApp toggle is on. This immediately allow WhatsApp to use your microphone. Now after that, simply open the WhatsApp again, start a call or try sending a voice message, and when the pop-up appears asking for your microphone access, you can simply tap on allow. If the audio still does not work, you can simply restart your iPhone and then simply try WhatsApp call again. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.